Welcome to Review Rumble. The best CV axle is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's drivetrain, directly responsible for transferring power from the transmission to the wheels, and ensuring smooth, consistent motion whether you're accelerating, braking, or turning, making its integrity paramount for safe and efficient driving performance. Number 5. GSP NCV12505 CV Axle Shaft Assembly. Introducing the GSP NCV12505 CV Axle Shaft Assembly, designed for a perfect fit and exceptional performance. Experience smooth, vibration-free driving in all conditions. We use premium neoprene boots that resist abrasion and extreme temperatures. This ensures the integrity of the boot, preventing premature failure. Inside, it's packed with a specially formulated, high-temperature moly grease. This reduces friction and wear, guaranteeing a lifetime of dependable performance. Every axle undergoes thorough inspection for quality and workmanship. We stand by our components, ensuring you receive a reliable product. Because we are confident in the exceptional quality of our parts, this axle comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Drive with peace of mind. This is the left front, driver side, assembly. It features a 26 to 14-inch compressed length with 32 spline outer and 29 spline inner joints. What we like. This CV axle is engineered for a perfect fit and smooth operation. Its premium neoprene boots are built to resist extreme temperatures and abrasion, ensuring long-term durability. If you're looking for a dependable replacement that offers OE quality and peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, this is a solid choice. What people say. This is a great replacement part, it fits perfectly and works just like the original. The quality of the material is excellent, and it feels very durable. Installation was straightforward, and it has been holding up well so far. Number 4. DTA DT1235123521 Premium CV Axles. Introducing the DTA DT1235123521 Premium CV Axles. This set includes 2 new drive axle assemblies designed for a proper fit and easy installation. Our axles are QS 9000 and ISO 9002 quality certified, ensuring top-notch manufacturing standards. They are built to withstand extreme temperatures, both high and low. These are compatible with 2009 to 2011 Honda Pilot and 2007 to 2009 Acura MDX models. You can trust they meet or exceed OEM specifications for a perfect match. Experience peace of mind with excellent tolerance to temperature variations. This ensures reliable performance in all conditions. We stand behind our product with a 12-month or 12,000-mile warranty. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This set guarantees a proper fit and easy installation, making your repair process smoother. It's manufactured under strict QS 9000 and ISO 9002 quality certifications, ensuring reliability. If you need a straightforward, quality-certified replacement for your specific Honda or Acura model and prefer a clear warranty period, this 2-piece kit is ideal. What people say. The CV axle is a direct fit and works perfectly. Installation was straightforward, and the axle feels very sturdy. It has held up well under normal driving conditions. Number 3. GSP NCV10040XD Series CV Axle Shaft Assembly. Introducing the GSP NCV10040XD Series CV Axle Shaft Assembly. It's engineered to deliver superior performance, even in the harshest conditions that would cause standard axles to fail prematurely. Our XD boots are built with advanced materials, offering exceptional resistance to extreme temperatures, from -50 degrees Celsius to +248 degrees Celsius. This ensures reliable operation no matter the weather. The XD clamps provide consistent pressure, creating a perfect seal to keep the grease contained. This ensures the joint stays lubricated, even under extreme driving conditions. We use high-quality, temperature-resistant grease that offers enhanced protection against friction and abrasion. This contributes to a lifetime of smooth and dependable performance. This assembly is designed for both the left and right front positions, fitting driver and passenger sides. Please verify fitment for your specific vehicle model. It is compatible with select vehicles, including Ram 1500 models from 2012 to 2018 and 2019 to 2020 Classic. Always check the fit checker for precise compatibility. What we like. Engineered for the toughest conditions, this CV axle boasts superior performance in extreme cold and heat. Its specialized XD boots and clamps are designed for ultimate durability and a secure seal, even in rugged environments. If you frequently drive in extreme temperatures or challenging off-road conditions and need an axle built to withstand the elements, this is the one to consider. What people say. The CV axle is a direct fit for my 2005 Toyota Camry. It was easy to install and has been working great so far. The quality of the material seems good and it feels very sturdy. Number 2. A premium CV axle shaft assembly for Dodge and Chrysler. Introducing the A premium CV axle shaft assembly, designed for seamless integration with your vehicle. This part ensures reliable power transfer for a smooth driving experience. Specifically engineered for compatible Chrysler Aspen and Dodge Durango models from 2004 to 2009 with 4WD. It's the ideal replacement for your front left or right axle. This assembly replaces part numbers 521143900AA and 521143900AB, ensuring a precise fit and function. It comes equipped with a standard neoprene outboard boot for durability. As the final link to your wheels, it's crucial for transferring power from the transmission to drive your vehicle forward. Ensure optimal performance with this essential component. Featuring a compressed length of 22.17 inches, 29 input shaft splines, and 33 output shaft splines, it's built for robust performance. The axle nut is included for your convenience. We stand behind our products with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Drive with confidence knowing you're covered by A Premium's commitment to quality. What we like. This CV axle is designed specifically for 4WD Dodge and Chrysler models, ensuring compatibility. It features a standard neoprene boot for reliable protection. If you have a 4WD Durango or Aspen and are looking for a direct replacement with a straightforward, 1-year guarantee, this option provides a good balance of fitment and assurance. What people say. The CV axle is a direct fit and works perfectly. Installation was straightforward and the axle feels very sturdy. It has held up well under normal driving conditions and shows no signs of wear. Number 1. Cardone 66-1430, CV Drive Axle Drive Shaft. Introducing the Cardone 66-1430, CV Drive Axle Drive Shaft, engineered for optimal performance. It's designed to smoothly transmit torque at a constant speed, ensuring your vehicle runs efficiently. This drive shaft is OE engineered, meaning it meets original equipment form, fit, and function. Our proprietary processes ensure a precise fit and reliable operation for your vehicle. It features durable neoprene boots with additional bellows to prevent stress and cracking, which is a common cause of boot failure. This ensures a longer lifespan for the component. The high-quality grease used can withstand high temperature and high torque demands. This guarantees long-lasting and reliable performance, even under strenuous conditions. Installation is made easy with a new axle retaining nut included. This ensures a hassle-free process, as the original nut is often worn or stripped. This drive shaft is compatible with a wide range of Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models. It's a perfect replacement part to keep your vehicle running smoothly. What we like. This drive axle offers broad compatibility across many Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models, simplifying your search. Its neoprene boots are engineered to resist stress and cracking, addressing a common failure point. If you're working on a compatible GM vehicle and want a hassle-free installation with a new nut included, this OE-engineered option is a convenient choice. What people say. This is a great replacement part that fits perfectly and functions just like the original. The CV axle was easy to install and has been working flawlessly since day one. High-quality materials and construction, this CV axle feels very durable and robust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.